Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's a brand new video and today we're making some chicken Kathi rolls. This is yet another popular Indian street food and it's basically an egg roll with some delicious tandoori chicken in it. So let's get started right now. So here are some chicken thighs which I've chopped up into bite-sized pieces. So first add ginger garlic paste, then yogurt, a healthy teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, some salt to taste, and finally some garam masala. So if you can find it, you can add some kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, which will add a really nice fragrance to your chicken. Now give this all a really nice mix. Now cover this and marinate for up to an hour. So chicken is marinated and I've put that out on a baking sheet with some foil, and now let's bake it in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes. So just like our egg roll, take 2 eggs and give them a good whisk and then season them with salt and pepper. So add in your ghee on a pan heating on medium heat. So my ghee is hot now. Now add in your eggs, and when your egg starts to settle and there's some bubbles, add in your bread, slam it down, and cook this until your eggs are completely done. You want to make sure your bread is stuck to your eggs. So I'm just going to use this spatula here to release the eggs from the pan and make sure the eggs get a nice color by just pressing it like that. So as you can see, I can easily move this bread around. That means my eggs have released. Now let's flip this. We'll just cook the other side for a few seconds to really get that other side super crispy and super nice. So get your egg roll onto a cutting board. As you can see, it's really nice and crispy. You can hear the crisp. I'm gonna spread this with some of my awesome spicy green chutney. You can see how to make this recipe on the link up here. So here are my delicious bits of tandoori chicken. They are so nice and flavorful, super crispy. So I'm gonna add some of this onto my roll right here, along with some onions, thinly sliced, some tomato. That's it, guys. Just roll this guy up. Make sure it's tightly rolled. So there you have it, guys. This truly looks amazing. Can't wait to eat this, and I'm sure you'll love it too. So that's it for today, guys. If you want me to make more Indian street foods, leave me a like and a comment down below telling me what street food you want to see next. You can subscribe for new awesome content every other week. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.